Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about JMC recruitment. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. Let's see the overview of JMC recruitment. The organization that has released this notification is JMC, Jesus and Mary College for the post Assistant Professor. Total 74 post vacancies have been released under this notification and the application date has already started. And it will be closed by 7th January 2023 or 2 weeks from the date of publication of the advertisement in the employment news, whichever is later, and you can apply online. The job location is in Delhi. The selection process will be based on shortlisting followed by an interview. For any references, you can go through this official website jmc.ac.in. Let's see the vacancies. There are 5 vacancies in economics department, 9 vacancies in English, 10 vacancies in Hindi, 4 vacancies in history, 1 vacancy in mathematics, 5 vacancies in political science department, 8 vacancies in psychology, 4 vacancies in sociology, 3 vacancies in philosophy, 15 vacancies in commerce, 2 vacancies in computer science, 2 vacancies in French, 6 vacancies in elementary education department. So total 74 post vacancies of assistant professor in various departments. Let's see the educational qualifications. The candidates who are applying for this recruitment should hold a master's degree or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. Besides fulfilling the above qualifications, the candidate must have cleared the National Eligibility Test NET conducted by the UGC or the CSIR, and the PhD degree has been obtained from a foreign university or the institution. The National Eligibility Test NET shall be the minimum eligibility for the appointment of assistant professor. Coming to salary details, the candidates who got selected for the post of assistant professor will get an academic pay level 10 with rationalized entry pay of rupees 57,700. Let's see the selection process. The shortlisted candidates called for the interview should report along with all the testimonials or certificates in original, along with a valid photo ID, which includes Aadhaar or voter ID or driving license or passport, and a set of self-attested photocopies of certificates or testimonials with respect to the qualifications, experience and category as applicable indicated in the online application form, duly certified by the applicant, should be submitted at the time of interview. Let's see the application fee. 500 rupees for UR, OBC, EWS candidates, and there is no application fee for SC, ST, PWBD and women applicants, and there is no fee who had applied for the same post in the preceding advertisement. Applicants applying for more than one post or department must apply separately and pay fees separately. This is all about the JMC recruitment. If you want to download the official notification, we had provided the link in the description and we had also provided the direct link. You can check in the description box. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.